Imagine a world where your living room isn't just a place to watch movies, but the central nervous system of your entire digital existence. We have seen the evolution of streaming, but what Apple is preparing for 2026 isn't just a minor spec bump. It is a total reimagining of the home hub experience. For years, we've settled for incremental updates, a slightly faster chip here, a new remote there, but the rumors swirling around the Apple TV 4K 2026 suggest a device so powerful it might actually replace your gaming console and your smart home bridge in one fell swoop. The whispers from the supply chain are no longer just whispers. They're a loud declaration that Apple is about to dominate the big screen like never before. You need to understand that the heart of this machine is rumored to be a variant of the M3 or even M4 silicon, bringing desktop-class performance to a palm-sized box. This isn't just about loading Netflix faster. We are talking about hardware-accelerated ray tracing, a feat that will turn the Apple TV into a legitimate AAA gaming powerhouse, finally bridging the gap between mobile gaming and the hardcore console experience we've been waiting for. But the real magic lies in the integration of Apple Intelligence. In 2026, your Apple TV won't just suggest shows. It will understand the context of your life. Imagine walking into your room and the Apple TV, synced with your ultra-wideband sensors in your iPhone and watch, automatically queues up exactly where you left off, adjusts the lighting via HomeKit, and optimizes the audio profile based on where you were sitting. We are looking at a future where the interface disappears, replaced by an intuitive, AI-driven environment that anticipates your needs. The leaks suggest a built-in camera for the first time, not just for FaceTime, but for gesture-based controls that feel like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. No more hunting for the remote under the sofa cushions. A simple wave of your hand or a glance could be enough to navigate the most fluid UI ever created. This is the level of "it just works" that Apple fans have been dreaming of, and it's finally becoming a reality. Think about the visual fidelity. We are hearing reports of 8K support, not because everyone has an 8K TV yet, but because Apple wants to future-proof your home for the next decade. The computational photography techniques used in the iPhone are being ported over to video processing, meaning your old 1080p content will be upscaled with such precision it will look like native 4K. The colors will be deeper, the blacks more ink-like, and the HDR performance will push the limits of what your OLED panel can actually handle. This is about total immersion. And let's talk about the design. Rumors point toward a slimmer, more thermal-efficient chassis that uses recycled titanium, matching the premium aesthetic of the Pro lineup. It's a statement piece, a silent monolith that sits under your TV, packing more teraflops of power than the supercomputers of yesteryear. Stay with me, because the most disruptive part of this 2026 leak isn't the hardware. It's the ecosystem play. We are looking at a potential HomePod Apple TV hybrid that combines world-class spatial audio speakers directly into the unit. This would mean a single device provides the brain, the eyes, and the voice of your home. The connectivity suite is also getting a massive overhaul with Wi-Fi 7 and Thread 2.0, ensuring that every smart device in your house reacts instantly with zero latency. For the skeptics who say it's just another streaming box, look closer at the patent filings. We see hints of multi-user facial recognition, personalized audio bubbles using AirPods Max, and a dedicated gaming controller that might finally be included in the box. This is Apple's bid to own the living room. And if these leaks are even 80% accurate, the competition should be very, very worried. You are looking at the ultimate entertainment machine, a device that justifies its premium price tag by becoming the only box you ever need to plug into your HDMI port. The 2026 Apple TV 4K isn't just a product. It's the final piece of the ecosystem puzzle.